Hi, it's Imran from Car Sound Secure in East London. We've just finished installing this massive 17-inch roof monitor on this VW or Seat 2013. So this is a bit of rear entertainment for the kids. As a family man, wanted to keep the kids entertained in the back. So let me just run through the screen with you and I'll give you a quick demo of it as well. So a very thin profile screen. All the buttons are touch as well. You've also got illumination, so you've got these nice sort of blue LEDs down either side of the screen. Let's just turn that off for a minute. And how it works is basically I've got a USB, so it's a CD, it's a mechless system, so no CD, hence the profile on it's really thin. I've got USB just there with a trailer on there as well, but it also takes HDMI input as well. You get a remote with it, just here. So basically you can either use these with headphones, so the kids can be quiet in the back with the headphones on, or you can have it connected to the radio at the front. So I've got this connected, so you get a sort of an experience of what it sounds like. Let's just press play and I'll turn the volume up as well. There we go. Turn the volume up.
Been a long time, though. So we're up against a master thief, assassin, high performance driver.
So that's all coming through the speakers of the car now. Really nice screen as well. And it's got side angle, so there's no glare when you're looking at it from sideways for the side passenger, as you can see. So really nice clean finish, no sort of cables exposed anywhere. There you go. And really clean. It's a HD screen. Really popular one for people carriers with us actually. Let me just turn that down. So if you're interested in getting something like this done on your vehicle, keep the kids entertained, then get in contact with us. Thanks for watching the video, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.